what are we doing today?
I don't know, you're telling the story.
We're going tobogganing at Keklam.
Who with?
With Kelkam.
How do you say it, Beverly?
Sorry?
Introducing the famous, the one and only, Beverly Edison.
So we're going up Kelkam.
Kelkam.
Bach om my Hütte.
Bommerhütte.
Are there bombs there or something? Quite the nice forest.
Yeah. I got pants on.
So how does this work, Beverly?
Yeah, so you just sit on it
You
and
use
slide.
it like this is steering.
And usually like you can steer with your legs, like you push on whatever side you want to go.
Okay.
But I think it's really hard. It's difficult as a beginner.
So
I just do with my hands and with my feet. But
With
Flo
this?
would like sit on it like this and go like,
Jesus.
yeah.
Okay, off you go.
Are we ready?
I'm a bit scared, I've never done this.
Yeah,
it's
you
a
only
long
put
way
on brakes.
down.
Putting on brakes, just put your feet in or like do this one.
Okay.
How?
Like this,
Put your feet down.
or pull up the front.
Oh, okay.
Wow, she's gone already.
Okay.
Whoa, whoa, hey. Jesus! I don't understand how to turn.
You're more experienced. Are you ready, Doctor?
Yep.
Ready, little fella?
Yeah.
Sorry. Sorry, you took me to the side. I just got out of there.
Like, I'm scared for my life. Sorry?
We usually do
This
go
is
a
the
lot faster.
steepest part too.
Yeah, I'm fucking scared, to be honest.
This is the steepest part.
Yeah. This is the steep part. If you don't feel comfortable, just go slow. Yeah.
Oh, I can't slide on it because my bum gets stuck.
Sorry.
We're flying!
If you're scared on a snowboard, I am shitting my pants on this.
I feel like I'm in control more here.
Fuck, I feel like I have no control.
Yeah, but you're wearing a helmet anyway, so.
Yeah.
I don't think a helmet will help too much when you go off the cliff.
Yeah, well it does. Your brain stays.
Yeah, true.
Go, Beverly.
Jesus. I can't stop. Please.
Go first.
I can't.
I don't want to go fast.
Hey, loser. Let's go, Beverly. Let's go. Formula One driver Michael Schumacher taking a left turn. Boom, boom, boom. Turn, do it, turn. Oh, what the fuck? Drift King.
I can't go fast anymore.
How come?
I don't know.
What's up?
Low rider. Oh yeah, nail in the corner, look it! Oh shit! Hey loser! See you later, Grandma! Hey, Grandma! Why don't you speed up a little bit? Oh, shit. See you later, Grandma. Lava. God damn it!
Going to the Christmas market?
Indeed we are.
Just got some hot almonds, cinnamon sugar almonds.
Best thing ever.
Nothing says winter and Christmas like hot nuts.
Exactly. Rider.
So today we are leaving Tommy behind for a few days and we're headed to a ski resort in Capron, which is about 45 minutes from the Kitzbühel area where we are now. Lockie scored us some free lift passes and to stay in a hotel to do some work for them over the weekend, so should be good. Ready?
Ready.
Backpacker life.
Yeah, look at this.
We swore we'd never use that bag again, but it came in handy. It's ginormous.
It is. Let's go.
Let's go. We are walking to get the bus and it's not a fun time with a bag full of camera gear and technology and all of our crap. So we've been on 2 buses and now a train. This is the last leg, we're almost there.
Yeah, we did it.
Mammoth effort with all this stuff.
Quote of the day.
Quote of the day?
Keep it on, get it done. Quote of the day.
This is the bag's too heavy.
The bag was bloody heavy.
Yeah, they're both heavy. We've made it to the hotel. Oh. I think we went the wrong way. Yeah. We're in. So the ski resort Capron is just through there. Not a bad spot for the weekend. We are off to the spa.
Yeah, Sparta.
Very nice. You have to check this out. What did you think of the spa?
Very good. Very nice, relaxing.
It was lovely.
Flash loves the spa. Guten Morgen.
Getting ready for your the first big day out on the slopes?
First big day shooting.
We just had buffet for breakfast.
Yeah, it was nice. All the food you could eat at a European buffet.
Day one.
Day one.
Woohoo! It's a very foggy morning. We're above the clouds now.
Ich denke mal, warum du als Kitchen das öfters mit Nugget.
So we're on the Kitzsteiner Horn today, the ski resort, and the big main top of Salzburg goes up to 3,000 meters, so it's very high. It's taken us, I think this is the 4th gondola that we've been in from the bottom to get all the way. We're going up there, if you can see. The sun is beaming. So we're now walking through an underground tunnel to get to the other side to a viewing platform. It's pretty cool. I feel like I'm on a school excursion. Stunning. Beautiful.
Unbelievable.
So you can just see in the distance the Val de Kaiser, which is our favourite mountain range near Kitzbühel where we stay. So it's just straight through there. So just behind me is Grossglockner, where we went to last year or the year before. The 2020 we went there with our friends, and it's the tallest mountain in Austria, I think. So we just rushed back after our morning skiing, shoveled down some lunch, had an outfit changed, and we are heading back up the mountain above the clouds where it's nice and sunny for the afternoon for more photos. First day done.
First day done.
Woohoo! What a day. out for a ski to finish the day? It is our last day at Capron today and the weather is not amazing. We've just been up close to the top and we're coming back down to hopefully find some shelter so we can still enjoy snowboarding today because it's really blizzardy and windy up the top.